Today, we're teaching you how to make the perfect batch of pancakes with help from our lovely catering student, Thomas Fletcher. Firstly, we need 110 grams of plain flour, 2 free-range eggs. We will then need 300 ml of whole or semi-skimmed milk. We'll be making about 5 delicious pancakes. First, we need to crack 2 of the eggs into a large mixing bowl. Then we're going to sift the flour into the bowl. We're going to add small quantities of the milk and start whisking the mixture. Whisk until all the liquid has been added and the batter has the consistency of thin cream. Come on, you can do it, get whisking. Melt a dab of butter in a pan. Then we can turn the heat down to around medium. We need to ladle the batter into the hot pan. Now tip it around from side to side to get the base evenly coated with the batter. After about half a minute, and when the bottom is golden in colour, shall we flip the pancake over? See how you do with this one then. Whoa, pretty good. The other side will only need a few seconds to cook. That looks about ready. Slide the pancake out of the pan onto a plate. Now we have to think about, what are we going to use to top it with? We can do bananas, chocolate Nutella, fabulous. Once you've added your favourite topping, sprinkle each pancake with this and enjoy.